Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to convert currency on Wise. And if you want to convert currency, the first thing that we need to do is always you need to have money standing on your account because otherwise you can't convert. But let's say we don't have money on our account like I have right here. Then what we're going to do, for example, is we go right here to this place that says transfer calculator. And then you can fill in right here, for example, 1000 euros is 1,156 and 91 US dollars. Now, if you want to convert this, you can click right here on the amount that is standing on your account. So let's say we are having 1k euros. Then we fill in right here 1k, and then we can send ourselves this amount of US dollars with that euro price. So let's say we click right here on send. And we do the Netherlands. Oh no, sorry, we need to change this one to, of course, US dollar. We can change right here paying with. So from here you can decide if you want to convert your currency, click on Wise, and then select right here the amount of money that you want to transfer. I don't have money staying on my account, so I can do this right here with Ideal bank transfer, credit card or debit card. If you want to do that, then we do, for example, Ideal. And then what we're going to do is add recipient, and then we do right here search on Wise, and then you can search for your own tag. If you go back, we can do bank details and then do myself, fill in right here my details, and then we do confirm, going to the review page, check your details, and then after that, confirm it with the pay option. But this is the way how to do that if you don't have money on your Wise account, because otherwise we go back and then just click on our Wise wallet, and then you can confirm your euros to US dollars. So this is in a nutshell how you can convert your currency on Wise. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.